One sunny morning, Dave, the funny and not-so-bright father, decided to take his equally funny and not-so-bright son, Timmy, on a trip to the mountains. Armed with nothing but their enthusiasm and a sense of adventure, they loaded their car and set off. "Dad, are we sure we need all these suitcases for one day?" Timmy asked, looking at the 7 bulky bags they had packed. "Of course, Timmy. You never know when you'll need a snorkel in the mountains," Dave replied with a confident grin, strapping a snorkel to his backpack. 2 hours into their trip, they drove past a road sign. "Dad, I think we missed the turn for the mountain trail," Timmy said, a bit uncertain. "That's impossible, Timmy. Mountains are huge. We can't possibly miss them," Dave declared, driving on with determination. After a few more wrong turns and a detour that led them back home, they finally arrived at the base of the mountain. "Dad, do we really need these ski boots? It's the middle of summer," Timmy questioned as they unloaded. "Absolutely. You can never be too prepared," Dave said, waddling in his oversized boots. They started their hike up the mountain trail, only to find it quite steep. "Dad, what's the plan if we get lost?" Timmy asked, panting. "Easy. We'll just ask for directions from the mountain goats," Dave responded, pointing at a distant goat that seemed completely uninterested. Halfway up, they decided to take a break. "Dad, why did you pack this old map? It's from 1962, Timmy exclaimed, unfolding the fragile paper. "Classic maps never go out of style, Timmy. Besides, it adds to the adventure," Dave said with a wink.